Hello, this is day 12 or 13, not really sure. I'm pretty sure it's 12, but anyways, I wanted to show my progress. Pretty much nothing has changed. In terms of you'll see what I mean. So, first thing you might notice is here, I'll make the game window bigger. First thing you might notice is if you've seen the last video, this feels a little bit lower down. And that's because I made it lower, so I'll show you why I did that. Here, you're kind of clipping the top off the edge a bit. You can't really see it, but that's fine. Before, it was like half of it was chopped off, and I didn't like that. You know, even though like the player who's playing the game knows exactly where they are, I feel like it should always be visually obvious. Another thing I did is this in the top right corner. So if you click this, you get a new UI. Wow, yeah. Still works like usual, makes the sound, pops open. So let's just do this. Let's go here. And if I click restart, first level again, we're at the same level. Main menu, doesn't do anything yet, didn't get around to that. But the big thing was this. The different pages. You would be surprised how long this actually took me. So let me just show you another thing. If I go here and I click the settings and I close this and I reopen it, the settings tab will still be open. So it memorizes where it was last open. And yeah. So the home menu will show you your current stars you have on the level, the current amount of moves, the restart, the main restart button, back to main menu, and some other things. Second, the settings button this is the settings page. Here you'll find SFX toggle, which is sound effects. So stuff like this sound, music, so background music, and tips toggle. So you know, I'm gonna have it detect if the player's like way over moved, like has way too many moves for the current level. It'll like give a slight tip depending on the level, you know? It's like, let's say the player is like just completely stuck on this level, right? Doesn't know what to do. It'll show like, I actually don't know what it'll show. I haven't really thought about that. But I do want there to be a tip if someone gets stuck, because I don't want someone to just get stuck and stop playing because they're stuck. You know? But I also don't want the tip to be the most obvious, like, oh, okay, this is how I beat the level. What else? Oh yeah, the help page. So this is the page that will probably be used the very least. I don't see many uses for this page, but this is the help page. Here you'll find a Discord link, so I'll have a Discord for the game way later. I haven't even got around to that. I don't even know if I'll still have that. It might just be like a social link to something. YouTube walkthrough redirect, so once the game's all done, I'll create one video for each level that shows you exactly the moves you need to get 3 stars for the level. And there will be a link, and it'll warn you when you click on it. It'll say, this is a spoiler, like this is how you beat the level, redirect here. Yeah, some advice if you're stuck, and more, depending on if I ever think something else needs to be there. This page might not even be needed, but yeah. So, yeah, that's about it. You know, that's really about it. But I think this is like getting really close to. This is probably pretty close to how. Obviously, it's gonna look way better than this. But the paper like UI, these buttons, this button will probably look all similar. But the stuff on the paper, on each page, will look different. But yeah. Also, cool little side note. The colors change depending on which one you are, and like it kind of indents in a little bit, not much, but just slightly enough to tell like which pager. It adds a little like more noticeability, I guess is the best way. But yeah, that's about it. Hopefully for next level or for next video, I want to get this UI completely done almost. I want to get the star system maybe implemented. Definitely main menu button will be implemented. The sound will come later, I think. Once I find the music I want for the background, I'll start working on the sound. This will come way later. But yeah, probably gonna get like to show you the number of moves, and then that actually wouldn't even take that long. So I'm not really sure what else I would do. I'd probably maybe work on level 4, maybe work on the main menu, and or not really sure. But yeah, that's all for the video. Kind of long video. Wasn't really expecting it to be. I kind of rambled on for a bit, but yeah, that's my progress. Thanks for watching.